Okay, so picture this. The future of clean water. And what if I told you it might actually depend on clams?
Chuckles. It's not as far-fetched as it sounds.
No kidding. Today we're diving deep into how Warsaw, Poland, is using, get this, clams, as a key part of their system for keeping their water clean.
It's a really fascinating example of something called biomonitoring.
Okay, so bio what now?
Biomonitoring, basically it's using living organisms to keep tabs on the environment, like the quality of air, or in this case, water.
Right, okay.
And what Warsaw is doing is they're taking these freshwater clams, and they've actually integrated them into their water system, essentially turning them into like living alarm system.
Living alarm system. So how long have they been using this system?
Since 1994.
Wow, okay. So this isn't just some new experiment. It's been working for them for a while. That's impressive.
It is.
So tell me, what makes these clams so good at this job? Like, why clams?
Okay, so clams are what's known as filter feeders.
Filter feeders.
Yeah. Basically, they're constantly pulling in water, filtering out tiny bits of food. But here's the thing. This also means they're incredibly sensitive to any changes in their environment. Like if there are any pollutants or toxins in the water.
They know right away.
Exactly. And their reaction is pretty dramatic.
Let me guess. They, like, clam up.
Freckles, yep. They slam their shells shut. And get this, in Warsaw's system, when that happens, it triggers an alarm.
Really?
Yeah, a serious alarm too. Like, it has the potential to shut down the entire water supply.
Oh, they don't mess around.
Nope. They're serious about keeping their water clean.
It's kind of a genius system when you think about it.
It is.
It's like having a million tiny little water testers constantly monitoring the water quality. And not only that, but I imagine using clams is probably a lot more cost-effective than some high-tech sensor system.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, clams are a natural, renewable resource. No need for expensive equipment, complex maintenance.
And I bet those clams react much faster than any kind of man-made sensor.
For sure. We're talking instantaneous reaction time, which, when you're dealing with potential contamination, that kind of real-time monitoring can make all the difference.
So this is bigger than just clams, right?
Oh, yeah.
This feels like it's part of a larger trend.
Absolutely.
Towards looking at nature for solutions to, well, problems that we've created.
Exactly. It's called biomimicry, and it's catching on.
Biomimicry. So what, like looking to nature for inspiration?
Exactly. We're realizing that nature often holds the answers if we just pay attention.
Yeah.
Like, think about things like green roofs, mimicking how plants naturally absorb rainwater to manage stormwater runoff.
Oh, yeah, right.
Or designing parks and green spaces to help cool down cities, kind of like how forests naturally regulate temperature.
So, like, we're finally figuring out that working with nature, instead of always trying to control it, can be a lot more, well, effective.
Exactly. It's about finding those elegant, sustainable solutions that have often been right in front of us all along.
But even with a system as, frankly, ingenious as this clam system,
right,
there got to be challenges.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
I mean, like anything else, it's not a perfect solution. Like, clams are living creatures, right?
Right.
They're sensitive to changes in temperature. You need to maintain a healthy population of clams for this system to work properly. So it requires careful management, a deep understanding of the ecosystem dynamics at play.
It really makes you wonder, though, what else is out there? What other surprising ways could we be using nature to solve problems that we haven't even thought of yet?
That's the exciting part. I mean, if something as seemingly simple as a clam can play such a vital role, the possibilities really are endless if we just open our minds to it. What if this sparked a whole new wave of thinking about urban design? Imagine cities designed in true harmony with nature. It's a pretty amazing thing to think about.
It really is. I mean, Warsaw's system is a pretty powerful reminder that sometimes the most unexpected solutions are the best ones, and they're often right in front of us. We just have to be willing to